Sorry, I didn't even know. Sorry. So here is our elected acting Prime Minister. Where is he? Honorable acting Prime Minister. Biafran want to see you, your beautiful face again. Yes. Wow. Congratulations. Once again. We move. Yes, yes.
Oh, God.
Acting Prime Minister.
Yes. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
Acting PM, you are muted. You have to unmute yourself.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, unmute yourself. Okay. So the next step, Nanda. Face again. Yes. Wow. Congratulations. Once again. We move.
All right, welcome back again. Welcome back. So I just want us to pay close attention. It's going to be a short one, very, very quick one. It's a kind of a reaction to what Eggman said here. Do you know why I played this one first? For you to know his voice. Remember his voice. And all the people that gathered there, that were there clapping for Nkere when they introduced him as the acting prime minister. That was there. Now they are now tearing everywhere apart, which is good to see, because any foundation any structure that has been built, that its foundation is faulty, is meant to fall. So it cannot stand. No matter how you want to patch it, no matter how you want to pretend that it's strong, it will get a point that it will collapse. If you insist, it will collapse on you. Now, after saying that, we have seen many of them trying to justify the single, one of the things that people question them about. You may like to know. They said that, the dog is now, they're not noticing all his crime and everything. They said that since February. Since February, they noticed this. They have been trying to manage it. Nkere refused. Nkere refused for a reason, my people. He understands that these people are not genuine also. So, of course, he also wants to become ATM. Right? So that desperation, that zeal, or eagerness, he want to be whatever he will call himself and all that, he keep on pushing, trying to be relevant. Nkere was looking at them. Nkere know that the same crime that I have committed, that's what you guys commit as well. That's why he don't take them serious. But Van made another exposition. Reveal, so what he's doing now is once he exposed something, he wants to go back and start doing damage control. I don't know if I've noticed that, but watch this one.
Could not grab because Nkere could not grab Azubuike after he feels he has spent money on him. After he feels I have spent money on him. Let me tell you, Azubuike was not willing to go to Finland, because he didn't have that financial weight to go. Because of his plan and targets. I will pay. He spent almost $4,000.
You get the point. The Azubuike in question is the guy that is head of website. The same guy that refused to change the account number, that a cabinet member called him and said, change the account number. Caesar refused to attend to the meeting. Do you understand? Azubuike refused. He said that Nkere must be in the cabinet. That Nkere must be in the cabinet. He chose Nkere than all the entire cabinet. You see, there's some of these stories here. Each time I begin to pay attention to that, or trying to remember how the whole thing, has happened, and what happened and all that, I felt so bad. I felt so bad because it is very clear that all of them are just for money. In case you don't understand what I'm saying, let me explain it better. Azubuike is a member of the cabinet member, and other cabinet members are there. Remember, when PM was here, the decision-making body are cabinet members together with PM. So they gather together, make decision, deliberate and discuss on any decision at all. That has been the ordeal. Everything PM was doing, it has been like that. Then this Azubuike is the one in charge of, a kind of engineer in charge of a website where they donate money. That this, I think, www.ipw.org.donate. You remember that website is the website that this man is in charge of that website. So when Nkere started dodging meeting, started, distancing himself from cabinet members, the cabinet members called this guy and said, okay, take this money that account, put it there, change the account number. So that Nkere, who is the finance minister and refused to give us updates, not to give us, not to give them the account, to give them an account, but update he said there's no money in the account. They want to ask some basic, normal question. So this is the account, money we find in the account. Whose money is that? What happened to the money in the account? That kind of thing. Not to give a kind of to give them account details or how much money he have received, and no. The issue is that he may open his mouth, say that there's no money in the account. Then people want to know why you say there's no money in the account when you can also see the balance in the account. He started dodging them. Then they now call Azubuike as a Biafran who's in charge of the website that belongs to the entire Biafran, not Nkere. The man said, I cannot change it until Nkere is here. Because in his presence, cabinet members cast vote on changing this account issue. And he saw it, he noticed that everybody supported that, maybe him and the other people, but the majority carried the vote. Now, he maintained that he's not going to release it. And he ran away with that account, meaning that the account is no longer in the hands of USB government. Nkere hijacked it using that guy. Now that this thing is going on now, what is going on in the account is going on now, the man has now changed the account in favor of Imam Madabo against Nkere. He claimed before that the reason why he don't want to change it because he don't want to interfere on anything that PM built. But now PM is not here, he has already interfered on that by creating an account for I don't know, and why Yesiocha is an Ago and rest of them, Biafra Unite and all of them that somehow attached to that account. Now the website BS2 account, which of course Nkere is protesting against it. It did not end then. This man, Eggman, is not telling you that even this what's the name of the one Azubuike don't even have money to go to Finland for convention or redeclaration. It was Nkere that gave him the money, and this thing happened when they called him to come and to go and change the account. You see the reason why he was insisting that Nkere must be in the meeting. He was a kind of acting as if Nkere is owner of the government, because Nkere have already purchased him with money and made him to go to Finland. Eggman made it clear here that he don't have money to go to Finland. It was Nkere that paid him almost $4,000. You cannot see the reason why Mas Namarkana said this.
I'm telling you the truth. You may not like it, but it's the truth. There is no freedom fighting outfit in the entire world that is led by somebody who is poor. Impossible. You must be learned and you must come from a middle class background, or else you cannot run it. Things of the world will get into you. You begin to pursue money and wealth, and you forget what you're there to accomplish. That is why Obunyononto cannot lead any freedom fighting outfit.
Azubuike fall in this category for this singular act, for this move that he has made. So all the move that he made, starting from the time of before the redeclaration of Biafra, and after, this guy have proven that what Masakana said here is spot on. It is true. Oboyonoto cannot. You understand? Azubuike have actually proved that to be truth, because Okemade Jerego Nkere is one dictating, and maybe now the money is no longer coming the way we can normally give, and all of them are now running head together, trying to act as if they're decent, they're honest. But why didn't you reveal those things for more than 6 months? And Eggman is trying to act as if people saying that they are now, because they are crying out or trying to reveal because the money is no longer coming. Anybody that said that, oh, Eggman, you don't need to blame the person because that is what you have proven to be. That is exactly what you guys have acted on. Now let's take this.
$1,000 to get that young man to Finland.
Now let me take it from the beginning. Just pay attention.
Because Nkere, Isaiah Young, could not grab Azubuike after he feels he has spent money on him.
That Nkere could not grab Azubuike after he felt that he had spent money on him. Azubuike that have worked for him for how many months now? Almost 8 months. November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. This month is making it 9 months. 9 good months. So what are you talking about? What exactly are you talking about? The man have worked, maybe the salary, the payroll, the money that normally receive every month, maybe have stopped. Maybe the thing is not flowing the way he wanted. So you, or even you, I asked a question, why now? Why now? Because all of you saw it and you supported it because of money. That is exactly what Matagana said. Now let us pay attention to what Eggman is saying so you can understand it proper.
After he feels I have spent money on him, let me tell you, Azubuike was not willing to go to Finland.
Yeah.
Because he didn't have that financial weight to go.
Okay.
Because of his plan and targets. I will pay. He spent almost $4,000. Almost $4,000 to get that young man to Finland. For what reason? I don't know. Just because he wants, when the time comes, so Celeste, you need to mute your mic. So that when the time comes, I want to get into anything, Azubuike will not resist. But you need to know that it's not everybody that can be bought. Please, people should not mind all these useless people.
You are the one useless. You collected the money and have been working for him for months, and you say don't mind who? Can you anyway? What do you expect from the criminal? Listen.
They are saying, they pay you because they are not paying you anymore. They are just using all those. As far as I am bold enough to bring out this evil individual, this evil Biafra enemy called Isaiah Nyogo, that we identified at the end of this, at the point where we identified him and called him out. You cannot call Nkere out. He
wanted to say that they noticed him and called him out at early stage of this. He remembered that he's muted, or he has been muted for months. He did not say anything. He was okay, and life goes on for 8 to 9 months now. So what are you talking about? You see your criminality? You see it now. It's staring in your face. You can see it. You don't need anybody to tell you that.
The only thing you see with Nkere is that the people that have seen all her criminality and her evil, they are just withdrawing gradually. No, me, I will not withdraw gradually and leave Biafra in the hand of a criminal. For the first time, I have to announce to you, Nkere is a bloody criminal. Bloody. Very bloody. He can shed blood because he wants to achieve his criminality. The desperation in this man is something else.
Okay.
It will shock you by the time you will find out that there are documents that he did not bring out, which we found out just a few days ago. Documents. We are here to unveil things, so
unveil it. Unveil it. Anyway, my people, I want to know what your take on this. Hit like button and subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Bye bye for now. Okay.